Hello everyone and welcome to another one of our Chateau Clerbaud video blogs. Today we're going to take you back to just after we bought Chateau Clerbaud, about 6 years ago. The chateau came with about 50 to 60 acres of land, and most of this land was really overgrown, and to be honest with you, I totally underestimated just how much work was going to be involved in clearing and preparing that land, bringing it back into shape. Today we're just going to look at a very small area right next to the farmyard area of the chateau. This was really overgrown. The big stone wall that enclosed it was falling down, and I think you'll be quite amazed just how much work it takes to clear such a small area. So I hope you enjoy it and look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you.
Just how neglected the grounds were was absolutely unbelievable. What you are seeing here is not an exception, it's actually the norm. So much of the chateau grounds totally overgrown. The first job was to clear away all of the scrub and bushes and small trees. Then we could at least see the ground. When the grass died back in the hot summer, it was the perfect time to cut it all down and get rid of it. It was a very busy summer that year. We had raked and levelled and cleared the whole park, ready for being reseeded, and we were also digging out the old drainage ditch that ran down from the lake. This ditch had not been looked after for well over 20 years, so we needed some pretty heavy machinery to clear it all out. We were also clearing away all of the scrub and the self-seeded trees that were close to the chateau. Whilst we don't like to get rid of trees, since we've bought the chateau, we have planted over 100 trees in places where they can thrive. Finally, next to the old farmyard, we could see just what was left to clear, all of the rubble and the old stones from where the wall had fallen down. There was so much of it that we decided to get in some mechanical help. We were also very worried about the wall falling down on top of us if we did it by hand. the stone that we're collecting, we're piling up into one place where we will sort through it and keep the good stuff for rebuilding the walls, and the old rubbish stones will be used to fill in the part of the ditch that we're closing off. At last, all of the stones had been removed, and all that was left were the logs from the tree trunks. We could then prepare the ground and get it ready for seeding. It has taken a couple of years for the grass to really grow nicely, but now the change in this area is absolutely incredible. Really pleased with it. Let's just remind ourselves how this area looked a few years ago when we started. Today it has totally been transformed and we're super happy with it. If you have enjoyed watching this video, why not click on the subscribe button that has just appeared. Also, check out our Patreon page in the link below. On there, you will find other ways in which you can help and support us in our project. It really does mean a great deal to us that you are interested in Chateau Clerbaud and preserving its wonderful history. Thank you.